Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this really easy pendant necklace using the Rainforest Relics collection for Bargain Bead Box for July of 2026. If you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. This box, it's $24.99 a month, and they're usually valued at $60. This one was valued at $86.60. So you really get a lot for your money. This is the third necklace I've made from it, and I still have a lot of stuff left over. So for this one, I just used a few of my black seed beads, the little 8-O's, because you know me, I got to add a seed bead. It's all about my seed bead. And then I just added 6 of those little orange ones. So I did 2 up here on the jump ring, and then I did 3 down here, and then I did 1 in this little charm that I made. So yeah, and I'll leave the links to the other tutorials below as well in the description. So if you want to learn how to make this, then stay tuned. Okay, so let me see, where should I start? Okay, so I took some of these 1.5 inch eye pins in antique brass, and I made these little spacers. So I made 2 different sizes. So I did the round Kambaba, can't talk, and then these are from another video I had left over from Bargain Bead Box, and then I used these gorgeous what do you call them? The English, wait a minute here. It's around beads. Oh, I can't remember. These right here, these gorgeous beads. I can't find the back. My room is a mess. Oh, heard Olivine crackle. Here we go. Okay, trying to get all the names straight. So then I took this Lumicina chain, and I cut it into 1, 2, 3, 4 little sections. Each one, it's about 1 inch long. Then I've got some seed beads, 8-O in opaque black. And so, so the color that I added seed bead is black to this, because this rose pendant has some black in it. So what I did was I made a little dangle. Here, let me show you. So get this laying right. Okay, so I took a big jump ring and I added some of the seed beads to it. Then I added this, my God, I can't talk today. The pinch bails. I've been videotaping all morning. Then I added a couple of the orange seed beads. Just for the orange pop, I added the leaf charm, and then I added 3 more orange seed beads just for a little pop of color in the front. Now this, I'm going to finish putting this side together. So I have it like this. So let me lay this down so you can see all of this. I can move this, move this. I'm trying to do half the necklace to make it easier. Okay, so this is how this looks. This is how it would look when it's on. So I added this first one right there. So now the first one, I will make one of these for you. So just so you see how I do it. So this is the one that we're going to be adding next. That looks like that. So I'm adding this gorgeous bead. I'm adding this. This is from a previous box, a Bargain Bead Box, because I ran out of those spacer beads because I've made so much jewelry. So I did that, and I did this, and then I did another one of these gorgeous. Now, if you don't have this one-step looper, it is a great tool when you're doing a lot of these. So what I did was I put my finger right here just to kind of hold that. And I put that in, and sometimes it doesn't go, there's a hole right there. It doesn't have to necessarily go there. As long as this last bead is up against there, and see how it makes that bend? Then you just clip that, and then I kind of adjust it while it's on there so that it will be straight, like that. This one didn't close all the way. They've been closing, of course, because I'm doing this on camera. Now it didn't close all the way. Okay, I just did that. Okay, so we're gonna attach it to this one right there. So I'm gonna reopen this up. And I made sure that I have 2 loops on the ends of this chain so that when it attaches, there's no chance of it falling off. Okay, so let me kind of set this up here. Oop. I have to keep picking it up anyway, so okay, so there's that. So now we're going to take this one and open this up and add the chain like that. Make sure this is closed. Okay. Then the next one that we're going to add will be this one right here. So this will be right here. So we're going to open up this one. And I like using my round nose pliers because if I need to bend anything into shape, I don't have to pick them up. I already have them. Okay, so then we have that. So now we're going to pick up another little piece of chain. This is a really easy kind of necklace to make. And I love the chain on it. It looks so pretty. Okay, so we have that. So now the next one is going to be this. Oh, and this is going to be our charm. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Slide that little hoop on. And close that up. This is why I like using my round nose pliers for this. Okay, then we're going to add another chain. Oh, yeah, let me grab this one. There we go. Oop, 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 oop. Okay, we have that. Now we're going to do the last one. And this. If these were kind of open, I didn't really go to close them yet because I knew I was going to have to reopen them again. So I just kind of made that loop and then I can fix it as I'm attaching it. You know what I mean? Like, so. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to add this chain for this last one here. I love using chain when I make jewelry like this, and then adding the eye pin jewelry pieces in between. Okay, so now we're closed here. So now we're going to so I took one of the nugget beads and then those 2 beads, put it in here. This one did go through that hole a little bit. And then I just made this little piece. So we're going to, let me grab my other ones here. We're going to grab this. It's going to go through there. And then we're going to have this one on. And then I'm going to make sure this little one is closed all the way. There we go. I'm loving all the little dangles. Okay, I'm going to put it on this side then. So then we close that like that. We have that. Then we're going to open this side up. And we're going to put it through this side. Yeah, so when I cut these into 4, then the one that was next to that one, I threw that one out. Because I wanted the holes to be totally closed. There we go. Okay, let me pick these up so that I can show you this beautiful, very easy necklace. Okay, so let's close this up here. And then we have that down there. And this is the adorable flower pendant necklace, Kambaba Jasper. And I love the little spaces of the chain, and then the little the leaf pendant kind of just goes with everything. And then just a little pop of that orange on these 3 little pieces is all it took. So I hope you enjoyed this Bargain Bee Box Rainforest Relics collection for July of 2026. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave everything in the description below for you to click on their link and check everything out. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of this, if you think you'll make this or not. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next video.